Hi guys, how are you? Teacher Mario here. Before starting today's lesson, please check out our Instagram account abcenglish.tv where I share quick grammar notes, fun facts, and interactive quizzes for you to do on your own pace. The link will be on the description. We're going to dive into the first topic from unit number 9, clauses and phrases showing contrast and exception. Today we're going to talk about a few conjunctions that help us show contrast and exception. Now, the first group is formed with while, whereas, unlike, and in contrast to. They are used to show contrast between the information in two clauses of a sentence. Let's see some examples. Number 1. While the typical Italian person studies until the age of 22, the typical Japanese person studies until the age of 24. Here we are contrasting the age of a typical Japanese and Italian person. The fact that one studies until the age of 22 and the other until the age of 24. While contrast part A and part B of the sentence. Number 2. The teacher gave you an A, whereas I got a B minus. The conjunction whereas is used to contrast part A and part B of the sentence as well. However, one part needs to be positive and the other negative, or at least with negative or positive connotation. Here, because we know A equals more than B, A represents positive and B negative. Number 3. Unlike the Japanese, Italians seem to drink a lot of bottled water. Here, the word unlike means different from, which indicates that one of those two people drink more bottled water. Number 4. In contrast to Italians, the Japanese travel a lot more by rail. Here, the use of rail is uneven, meaning that one of those two people uses rail more. Notice when those conjunctions are used at the beginning, a comma must separate clause A from clause B, and when placed in the middle, no comma is needed. Now it's time to form the second group, with phrases like except that, except for, and except for the fact that, which are used to show exception. Let's go through some examples. Number 1. Both like TV, except that the typical Italian person watches more. Here it is said both enjoy watching television, but its use is uneven, meaning Italians watch more TV. Number 2. Italian and Japanese people are fairly different, except for the age they get married. Here the exception lies on their only similarity, which is the age they get married, because everything else is different except that. Keep in mind that except that must be followed by a noun and nothing else. Number 3. Japanese people typically consume less coffee, except for the fact that they drink more tea. Please make sure you practice, and if you encounter any problem or you have any doubt, let me know down on the comment section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future lessons. See you on the next topic.